What's up guys? In this tutorial we will create creative photo manipulation in Photoshop. Create new document. From File, choose Place Embedded to add image. Image link is provided in description. Go to Select, choose Subject. Make sure to rasterize layer of knot. Inverse selection and delete background. Adjust image accordingly using Ctrl+T. Add new layer above background layer. Make circle using elliptical marquee tool. Hold Shift while making it. From adjustment layer, add solid color. Add mentioned color. Now add flower. Similarly, add leaves. Use wrap to adjust the leaves. Then add clouds. Add layer above background layer and add solid color. Add mentioned color. Select girl layer. Add layer mask. Select brush tool. Follow above settings. Start brushing on image bottom. Select Type tool. Add text. I am using Classical Diary demo font. Add drop shadow to flower layer. Follow settings. Then add bird image. Place it accordingly. And boom, we are done. Try it out guys. If you guys like my content, subscribe to my channel.